In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to create a Google Analytics tracking ID and how to add this tracking ID to your blog. Before starting, make sure that your WordPress blog is up and running and you can access it over the internet. Also make sure that you have a Google account. If you have a Gmail or a YouTube account, that should work just fine. When your blog is up and running and you have your Google account, you're ready to install Google Analytics. Start by going to Google Analytics. If you don't know the address, you can of course Google it. The first thing you need to do is sign in. And if you, like me, never used Google Analytics before, you need to sign up for using it. When signing up for a new account, you have to supply a bit of information. It's pretty straightforward, but I'll guide you through it. First, make sure that you've selected website, since your blog is based on a website. Then, for account name, you can write anything you like. I'll just write my own name, pedal@gear. And for the website name, I'll just type in my gear portfolio. You can use any name you feel like. It's just there for you to be able to distinguish between different websites that you use Google Analytics for. Now, for the URL, I want to make sure that I don't make a typo. So I go to this tab where I have my blog open and I mark the address and copy it and paste it in so it'll be perfect. And now for the industry category, you can choose whatever you feel like, arts and entertainment perhaps, or maybe jobs and education. And for the time zone, I'm going to select Denmark and just type it in here in the search field. Denmark, and it sets the time zone automatically. The data sharing settings is where you can adjust precisely what kinds of data you want to share with Google. Just leave everything on and click Get Tracking ID. Now you need to accept the terms of service agreement. Select your country of residence, your own country. It might not be Denmark. And accept. The system works for a little while and returns with this screen where you have your tracking ID. Now you're up and running with Google Analytics. The only thing missing is adding tracking code to your blog. First, make a copy of the tracking ID. Just mark it and copy. Then go to the dashboard for your blog and go to plugins. Add a new plugin. Here we need to add a plugin for Google Analytics. Just search Google Analytics. There are lots of different plugins. Use the one created by Kevin Silvestre. Install it and activate the plugin. Now you have installed Google Analytics, you just need to connect your plugin with your tracking ID. So go to Settings, Google Analytics, insert the copied tracking ID and save your changes. Now your blog is tracking Google Analytics. You can go to the Google Analytics page and you can always see your data, all your website data here. There's not much since I just added it, but it will come. That is all.